Click the link in the description box to download the AC timetable software and keygen. Click the download button. Log into the Dropbox to download the software and keygen. Choose your Google account to log in. Click Continue button, then agree and sign up. Now go to my video description box and click the link to download the software and keygen. Now click the download button and download the software and keygen. Select a folder to save the file. Go to downloaded file. Right click on the downloaded file and extract the downloaded file. Click Extract All. Then extract the downloaded keygen file. Double click on the application file and install the AC timetable. Select your language and follow these steps. Installing finished. Click on the Purchase and Register button to activate the AC timetable software. Double click on the keygen file and run it. Click Enter Registration Code button. Type your school name in the registration name box. Also type your school name in the keygen window. See the license number on your PC and type it in the keygen window. Copy the serial number in the keychain window and paste it in the registration code box. Click OK. Now you can use the activated ASC timetable software. Please subscribe and give me your comment.